Premier was also asked about the new reality for thousands of public sector workers across the province.
Now required to be back in the office full time. But as CTV's Rahim Ladhani reports, some of the workers forced back are pushing back.
For the first time in more than 5 years since before the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, thousands of civil servants across the province are being forced back into the office 5 days a week.
It almost feels like a punishment having to come in here for no reason when I can do the work at home.
Part of the group being mandated back are these Ontario Health at-home workers in Mississauga. They're spending their lunch hour pushing against the Ford government's policy. They want to continue the hybrid model, saying productivity was high while working from home, and being back in person full-time could actually negatively impact patient care.
There's not enough space. It's noisy. We're on the phone. Where I work is an ACT care center. It's loud. When you're dealing with seniors especially, you've got to talk loud.
The Premier says his government is working on making sure there is enough office space as employees return full-time, but that it's time to bring people back so they can be mentored and collaborate.
It's great to get everyone back to work like every other normal citizen. You go out there and you show up 5 days a week.
However, not everyone agrees.
We communicate with each other effectively as we've always done, so it doesn't change. I don't see where the collaboration has changed with us working with our co-workers.
Since the province first announced this policy last August, the Ontario Public Service Employees Union says around 10,000 public servants have applied for alternative work arrangements due to medical reasons and a lack of available daycare spots. But Doug Ford says this is about being fair to all Ontario workers.
Just imagine if you're a healthcare worker, you didn't get Christmas off with your family, or a police officer, a firefighter, a paramedic. Like, a lot of these people are working extremely hard. And all we're saying is just come back to the office like everyone else.
This rally is not a work stoppage, but the broader question over the coming days, weeks, and months will be to see how this government policy is balanced with both employee morale and, most importantly, patient care. Rahim Ladhani, CTV News, Toronto.